how to make money with affiliate marketing. On this video today, I'm going to show you an underground strategy that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing without any skills and without paying for any traffic. This method is beginner friendly, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to create your ClickBank accounts. Once you create your ClickBank accounts, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on the marketplace so that you can find products to promote. So just click on it right here. Once you click on the marketplace, you are going to see a page like this. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see these are categories of digital products that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see we have as seen on TV, betting systems, business investing, computers, internet, cooking, food and wine. You can see e-business and e-marketing, education, employment and jobs. There are a lot of different categories of digital products that you can promote on ClickBank to earn money from home. What we are going to be doing in this video is that we are going to be promoting products under the health and fitness category. So you are going to click right here, health and fitness. Once you click on that, you are going to see a page like this. So as I scroll, you can see these are digital products under the health and fitness category that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. So what we are going to do is that we are going to sort these products by gravity. That means we want to sort the products by the number of affiliates who got sales with the product in the last 2 weeks. So just come right here, click right here. Once you click on it, you are going to select gravity. Once you sort by gravity, you can see this product right here, Exipure. It has the highest gravity score right here, which means a lot of different affiliates got sales with this product in the last 2 weeks. You can see the gravity number here. Apart from the gravity, this product has an attractive commission rate. You can see you are going to be earning $145.71 per every sale that you get. You can see it right here. Apart from this product, when you scroll down, you can see there's another one right here which also has a high gravity. You can see it right here, and the commission rate is $132.33, as you can see it. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to select one of these products so that we can promote it to earn money from home. So we are going to be promoting the first one right here, Exipure, since it has a high gravity and then an attractive commission rate. So it is good for us to promote it because many people like the product. That doesn't mean that you don't have to promote the rest. If you want, you can equally select any of these products and then promote it. It doesn't really matter. What you have to do is that you have to find a quality traffic source so that you can get the right people to buy the product. Once you select the product, the next step is that you are going to look at the landing page of the product so that you can get some basic information about it before you promote it. In our case, we are promoting this product, Exipure, so you are going to click on the name of the product so that you can see the landing page. So just click on it right here. Once you click on the landing page of the product, you are going to see a page like this. This is the exact page that your potential visitor is going to see before they decide to buy the product. You can see the landing page has a lot of information about the product, and you can see there are a lot of different information that can convince the visitor to buy the product for you to earn money. You can see right here they have 2 bonuses that they are going to give to your potential buyers. So once they purchase the product, they can get access to the bonus. Apart from the bonuses, you can see testimonials of people who purchased the product. As you can see right here, they also have 3 packages that your potential visitor can choose to buy. If your potential visitors want to buy 1 bottle, they are going to be paying $59 per bottle. If they decide to buy 6 bottles, they are going to be paying $39 per every bottle. If they decide to buy 3 bottles, they are going to pay $49 per each bottle. So this is a very good product that you can promote, since the landing page has a lot of information to convince people to buy the product for you to earn money. Once you have seen the landing page, the next step is that you are going to click right here, affiliate page, so that you can find out if the product owner has resources for you to promote the product. So just click on affiliate page. Once you click on affiliate page, you are going to see a page like this. You can see right here they have email swipes that you can use to promote the product. They also have images that you can use to promote the product. So when you click on email swipe, you are going to find a lot of different emails that you can use to promote the offer. As you can see right here, this is the first email swipe that you can use to promote the product. As I scroll, you can see a lot of different emails that you can use to promote the product. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see right here, these are the images that you can use to promote the product. So once you get to know more about the product, the next step is that you are going to promote it. To promote it, you have to click right here, promote, so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on promote, you are going to enter your nickname right here. Once you enter your nickname, you are going to click on create hub link. Once you click on create hub link, you can see this is your affiliate link. So anytime you get people to buy the product through this particular link, you are going to be earning money on ClickBank. Once you have your affiliate link, the next step is that you are going to drive traffic to this particular link so that you can get people to click on it and then buy the product for you to earn money. We are going to be using articles to promote the product. So what you have to do is that you have to come on this website, enzymearticles.com. This website is an article search engine that you can search and then find articles on any niche that you want. So when you come here, you can see they have articles in a lot of different categories. You can see business, computer and technology, you can see gaming, you can see home-based business, you can see internet and businesses online, you can see legal and the rest. So there are a lot of different categories of articles that you can search for and then use them for whatever purpose that you want. In our case, the product is about health and fitness, so you are going to click right here, health and fitness. Once you click on health and fitness, you can see these are categories under the health and fitness. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to select the appropriate subcategory. In our case, the product is about weight loss, so you are going to click right here, weight loss. Once you click on weight loss, you can see there are a lot of different articles that you can use. You can see the first one right here, weight loss tips for women over 40, 10 weight loss hacks. You can see how to reduce belly fat after pregnancy. There are a lot of different articles right here. So as I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. So what you are going to do is that you have to select one of these articles so that you can use it to promote the offer. You can see a whole lot of them. So you are going to scroll through and then find the one that you like so that you can use it to promote the product. As you can see, many of them, if you want, you can click right here, page 2, so that you can find other articles. You can click on page 3 and then many more so that you can select the article that you want. In our case, I'm going to be selecting this option right here, 5 tips to lose weight naturally. So you are going to click on it so that you can open the article. Once you open the article, you can see this is how it is. Let me scroll down for you to see. You can see this is the body of the article. You can see everything. It's a very lengthy article, so this is something that you can equally use to promote the offer. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to copy this article so that we can use it to promote the offer. We are going to be using Google Docs. So what you have to do is that you have to search for docs.google.com. Once you search for that, you are going to click right here, blank. Once you click on blank, you can see your document has opened. The next step is that you are going to give it a title. So just come right here and then give any title that you want. In this case, I'm going to type how to lose weight. As you can see, that has been done, how to lose weight. Once that is done, you are going to copy and paste the article right here. So you are going to first of all copy the title and paste it right here. Once you come back on Enzyme Articles, you are going to highlight and then copy the title of the article. Just highlight and copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to paste it on your document. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your title, the next step is that you are going to paste an image here before you paste the body of the article. To insert an image, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on insert image. Once you click on that, click right here, upload from computer. Once you click on that, you are going to select your image and then click on open so that your image can be uploaded right here. As you can see, this is the image. You can see it. If you want free images, you can come on this website, pexels.com. Once you are on the website, you can search for any image that you want. These are royalty-free images that you can use for whatever purpose that you want. You are not going to get any copyright strike. So just come and then search for any image so that you can use it in your document. Once you have your image, the next step is that you are going to copy and paste the body of the article right here. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on Enzyme Articles and then copy the body of the article. Just highlight and copy it. Copy everything. Just copy everything right here. Once you copy the body of the article, you are going to come back on your document and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. So what you are going to do is that you are going to delete this particular link. Just delete the article source. As you can see, that has been done. So as you can see, this is the article. You can see this is the body of the article. You can see your image. So now once you have your article, the next step is that you are going to insert your affiliate link into this article so that anytime people read it, they can click through your affiliate link and then make a purchase of the product, and you are going to be earning money. So what you have to do is that you have to type a call to action right here so that you can get the readers to click through your affiliate link. In this case, I'm going to type click here to get access to my weight loss resources. So just type something like this, click here, okay, let me add, click here to get access to my weight loss resources. As you can see, that has been done. You have your call to action right here. The next step is that you are going to come back on ClickBank. Once you're on ClickBank, you are going to click right here, copy, so you can copy your affiliate link. Once that is done, you are going to come back on your document, just highlight the text that you want to insert your affiliate link. Once you highlight it, click right here. Once you click on it, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. Once you paste it, click on apply. You can see right here your affiliate link has now been inserted into this particular call to action. Once that is done, you are also going to scroll upwards and then insert your affiliate link in any of the text that you want. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see right here natural weight loss, so you can equally insert your affiliate link right here so that you can get the readers to click through. So once you paste your link, just click on apply. You can see that has been done. So you are going to insert your affiliate link many times in the article. So what you have to do is that you have to create a space right here and then type another call to action. So in this case, I'm going to type, click here to lose weight without dieting. You can just type something like this. Once you type your call to action, you are going to highlight it and then insert your affiliate link into it. Once you highlight it, click on the insert link button. Once you click on that, just paste your affiliate link right here and then click on apply. You can see that has been done. You can make yours better than this. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to download this particular document as a PDF document. To download it, what you have to do is that you have to click on file. Once you click on file, you are going to come on downloads. Once you click on downloads, you are going to select PDF document. So just click on that. Once you click on that, you can see it has been uploaded right here. It is going to automatically open. As you can see, it has opened right here. Let me scroll down for you to see. You can see this is the article. You can see everything. You can see your affiliate link right here. So anytime your readers click on it, they are going to get access to the product that you are promoting through your affiliate link. You can see your call to action right here. You can see another one right here. So now the next step is that we are going to share this particular document to people so that you can get them to read it and then take the necessary action for us to make money. So you are going to publish it on this particular website, yompu.com. I don't know how to pronounce it well, so just forgive me. yompu.com. This website is an online magazine that allows you to publish your articles for free. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here so that you can create your free account. Just click on get started so that you can create your free accounts. If you want, you can equally come right here and then click on login so that you can create your free accounts. In this case, I have my account, so I'm going to log in and then show you step by step on how to publish your article on this platform. As you can see on SimilarWeb, yompu.com gets up to 12.9 million visits every month. You can see it right here, 12.9 million visits every month. As you can see right here, these are the countries that the traffic is coming from. You can see most of these countries are tier 1 countries. So you are going to get people who have the purchasing power to click through your link and then buy the product. So what you have to do is that you have to create your account. So once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. To publish your document on this platform, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, upload. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. Just click right here, select file to upload so that you can upload your PDF document. Once you click on it, you are going to select your document. So just select your document. Once you select it, click on open and it's going to be uploaded. As you can see, we have to wait for some few seconds so that it can be fully uploaded. You can see it is uploading right now. You can see right now your document has been fully uploaded. You can see this is the preview of your document. The next step is that you are going to enter the metadata of your document. So you are going to type your title right here. You can see how to lose weight. Let me add fast and naturally without any dieting. You can just type a title like this. Once that is done, you are going to write a brief description about your article. So what we are going to do is that we are going to come back on Ensign articles and then copy the introduction part of the article. So just highlight and copy the introduction part of the article. Once that is done, you are going to come back and then paste it right here as your description. As you can see, that has been done. Don't forget to delete the article source. Just delete it. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see language. You are going to leave it as English. Once that is done, you are going to select the category. So just click on it so that you can select the right category. Once you click on the category, you are going to scroll down and then select the right category. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different categories. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to select health and beauty, so just click on that. Once you select health and beauty, you are going to delete these tags, so just delete those that you don't want. Just delete them. Once you delete them, you are going to type your own tags. So in this case, we are going to type weight loss. As you can see, that has been done. Click on add right here. How to lose weight. So let's type lose weight. Click right here. It has been added. Let's say burn fat. Click on it. Then we are going to type how to lose belly fat. Just type something like this. Click on add. So what you have to do is that you have to add tags that are related to the article that you are promoting. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down and then select the visibility. You are going to leave it as public. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, publish now, so that you can publish your article onto the platform. Once you click on publish now, you can see your article has been published. You can see it right here. It has got 0 views because you have just published it. Once it is now live on the platform, you are going to get a lot of people who are going to read it and then click through your affiliate link so that you can buy the product for you to make money from home. As you can see, so what you have to do is that you have to go back and then create another PDF document so that you can upload it onto the platform. So just keep on creating a lot of different PDF documents and then insert your affiliate link so that you can promote your product here for free without paying for any traffic. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.